Have you ever had a casserole that looked like this? Well, I did. And then I realized that I still had to clean this mess up. And I didn't want to use one of my good sponges, and I thought, what am I going to do? And then I thought of a ball of aluminum foil. It's that simple. So I took that ball of foil and I just started to scrub my dish. And you know what? It was fast and easy. Now, you might want to soak your dish a little longer than I did. But let me tell you, this little ball of foil is a miracle worker. Look how easy it started scrubbing all of that off. When you're done, all you have to do is wash it or pop it in the dishwasher and you're done. And all that mess is on the foil. And you know what you do with that foil when you're done? Throw it away. It's that easy. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.